In a lush forest, a young elephant named Elara was wandering near the river when she heard a faint cry. She followed the sound and discovered a small bird. "You saved my life. I won't forget this." Days later, Elara found herself in danger. No matter how hard she struggled, she couldn't break free. Elara let out a loud trumpet, hoping someone would hear. Pecky, flying nearby, spotted Elara and quickly gathered his bird friends. Together, they swooped down and pecked at the ropes until Elara was freed.